Dear students, कुछ और important question करते हैं. What type of changes are made at the time of the admission of the partner? All changes are required. Carriage outward is added in which of the following expenses? Carriage outward is actually a selling expense. Company distributed profit 40,000 and share is 235. Calculate the share of B. So 5 2 इसको डिवाइड करें इस पे तो ये आ जाएगा 40,000. 40 को 3 से तो 1,20,000 आंसर आ गया. Share premium can be used to issue bonus, preliminary expenses to meet all of the above. All के लिए है. How many directors are there in the company? Private company. Minimum 2 directors होते हैं private limited. Closing stock is included in current asset. Balance sheet में ये current asset होता है. The partnership on this and the profit distribution is 246, but the profit of A तो ये बन गया 12. 12 को इसके लिए 1,001 2,000 रुपीस बन जाएंगे A के. In the partnership business, all the following statements are true except which of the following? Partnership has limited liability. Unlimited liability होता है. गलत कह रहे हैं. Which of the following is balance sheet item? कौन सा balance sheet का item है? Outstanding wages. In the method of stock valuation, ABC company is FIFO is the statement written in which following components. In the method of stock valuation used by ABC company, FIFO is the statement written in which of the following components are financial significant balance sheet income statement. क्वेश्चन करना क्या चाह रहा है हमसे? The method of stock valuation used by ABC company is the statement written in which of the following component of financial notes का होंगे significant accounting policies. कुछ important questions हमने कर लिए. If the partnership earn this much profit, how much is the profit of the B? 12 पे इसको divide करें तो आंसर 1 into 4 4,000 आ जाएगा. अच्छा नहीं. Which of the following is true about the merchandising company? Merchandise buy and sell ठीक है. Must use the perpetual inventory system ठीक है. A merchandising company business is to provide the services. यार वो services कैसे दे सकती हो? तो goods देगी. If the company has this much profit, what is the amount of the profit of Mr. C? इसको आप 10 को डिवाइड करें 4 लाख पे आंसर आएगा 40,000 into 5 40 into 5 2 lakh. चलो next. Which company when the company decide not to give the cash to the then what will they give? They will give the share. नहीं यार bonus share. जब कैश में डिविडेंड नहीं देना तो बोनस शेयर देने पड़ेंगे. The method of valuation blah 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 signifies the company policies. Which of the following business publish the financial statement? Public companies. इसके अलावा जी in which of the following auditor remuneration payable is shown in balance sheet under the head of the current liability? बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होगा. Number of members in private company 2 to 50. Which of the following is correct about the partnership form? Partnership form shares the property equal share between them. are personally liable for all the liability. Partner are personally liable for the liability. Okay, which is must make their account available to the general public name or in a very small business's name. Share profit in equal name. They are personally liable for the liability, the unlimited liability wala concept. Okay, students, how many members are in private company? 2 to 50. Which of the following business publish the financial statement? Public companies hand distribute करना है जी profit C को 2 lakh, मुझे तो अब याद हो गए हैं यार. Which of the following, all of the following above, which of the following is to not difficult to set up the part will law for the action used. Memorandum contain all of the following except. Memorandum में बेसिकली होता ये है कि जो पॉलिसीज और प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं वो होते हैं, उसके अलावा जो उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है वो नहीं होता, ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं होता, ये आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन का. Which of the following is reported in profit and loss account for distribution? Operating expense. Company is selling mobile phone. Is written which of the following component financial statement? Complete trades in selling mobile phone. Sales is written in income statement. वो कहता है sales कहाँ लिखेंगे? Income statement में लिखेंगे. Partner current accounts are open when their capital accounts are fixed. सारा partnership ठुक लेंदा है यार. The partnership organization profit and loss sharing based on the agreed percentage. New partner is admitted, the old agreement is modified and new agreement is. Which of the following are type of public limited company? Listed only, non-listed only, both listed and non-listed companies, private companies. Public companies are the listed companies. Which of the following represent excess of? तो क्या होगा जी? Premium on the board of director of the company are the chief executive. Interest paid on debenture is expense. Which of the following is reported in profit and loss account? All operating expenses. At the end of financial year, partner drawings are transferred to their debit side of partner's current account. Statement of change in equity or capital debentures को issue. Debenture तो loan होता है ना, उसका ताल्लुक नहीं है. What will be credited is if capital introduced by the partner capital account credit. 5% debenture, what is the amount of interest to be profit and loss? 5 6 बार 30 तो 6,000 6,000. If 5% debentures 5 3 बार 15 होता है ना, 15,000 है. Thanks for watching students and stay blessed.